On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing using paid traffic. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that the traffic source that I'm going to show you is very cheap. So even if you're a beginner with small budget, you can still use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm using CPA Group, but you can join any CPA network that you know. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can join CPA Group and then find offers to promote. So once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Group, so any offer that you want, you can select it to promote. But the offers are based in specific countries. Each of the offers that you see on this platform is allowed in one specific country, so you have to check the country where the offer is allowed before you promote it. As you can see on your screen, all these offers are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United States. So if you promote it to any place apart from the United States, the people who click on your link are not going to get access to the offers. So you have to take note of the country before you promote an offer. As you can see, these offers, the payout is very low. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout so that we can promote those offers to make money on CPA Group. To search for a country, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. CPA Group is available worldwide, so if you scroll, you get every country that you want, and if you click on any of the countries, you are going to get offers that are allowed to be promoted to the country that you selected. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to search for Switzerland. Switzerland has offers with higher payout, so we are going to search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you search for Switzerland, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in Switzerland. You can see the first offer, the payout is $20.53. That is the amount that you are going to earn for every lead that you get. You can see the next one is $3.42. You can see $6.84, $20.53. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. What you need to do is that you have to translate the text to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. To translate it, put your pointer right here, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select translate to English. Once that is done, you can see the offers has been translated to English. You can now understand what the offers are about. As I scroll, you can see different offers. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So any of the offers that you want, you can select it to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Play the best games. It is one of the best offers that you can promote. Apart from that, you can promote any of the offers that you want. You can see play the best games. The offer is allowed on Android, and the requirement is that your potential visitors are supposed to submit a pin so that they can get access to the best games, and you are going to earn $20.53. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. If you want to select a tracking domain, you can click right here and then select any tracking domain that you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter their PIN so that you can be earning $20.53, and they are going to get access to the best games. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to your affiliate link. You can use the paid traffic source or you can use the free traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a paid traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then enter the requirements for you to make money. The payout is very high. You can see it right here, $20.53. So if you are using a paid traffic source, you are not going to be making any loss. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is richeffect.com. This is a website where you can advertise your affiliate links at a very cheap cost. Or if you want, you can join this website as a publisher. If you join as a publisher, what it means is that this website is going to be paying you anytime they serve ads on your website. But in this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to advertise our affiliate link. So we are going to be paying this website so that they can get clicks to our affiliate links. The best part is that the ad formats are many, so you can select any of them that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see the mobile traffic is 60% and the desktop is 40%. So any device that your potential visitors are using, you will still get them to click on your link using this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can be able to sign up for a free account which you can use to advertise your affiliate link. You can see you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, company name, and you are going to enter your social media handle right here. Once that is done, you have to enter your password, retype your password, select your language, and then your country. Once that is done, you have to select advertiser. Once you click on it, select I'm not a robot, and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to get access to an account that you can use to advertise. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you have to select advertising. Once you select advertising, click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you're going to see a page like this. Click on create campaign. Once you click on it, the first step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So type the name of your campaign. Just type any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type something like best games. Just type something like best games. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to choose your advertising method. That is the ad format. You have to choose it. So click on it and then select any ad format that you want. You can see they have push ads, you can see pop ads, and redirect, video ads, native ads. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select push ads. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select your display options. So just leave it all display options. Once that is done, you can see choose your tags. So you have to enter your tags right here. In this case, the offer is about games. So what you have to do is that you have to type something like games. Just type games. Once that is done, you can type playstations. Just enter the keywords that you want. Once that is done, you have to select the category of the traffic. So you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select mainstream or adult. In this case, we want mainstream, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you have to choose the pricing model. They have CPC, cost per click, so you have to select cost per click. Once you select the pricing model, the next step is that you have to choose the category. So you can just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different categories. Just select any category that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are targeting all categories, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see your daily budget and you can see fixed CPA amount. If you want, you can enter your figures right here. In this case, I'm not going to enter anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see maximum impression. If you want to limit the number of impressions that you get, you can switch it on and then make your settings. But in this case, I'm going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, the next step is that you have to select the country. In this case, you are targeting Switzerland, so click on it. Once you click on it, you have to search for Switzerland. That is where the offer is allowed. So search for Switzerland. Once you select the country, the next step is that you have to click right here next. Once you click on next, you can see select device type. Click on it and then select phone. Once you select phone, you have to also select tablet. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select that, the next step is that you have to select the operating system. In this case, it is allowed on Apple iOS, so select Apple iOS. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. You can see choose the time period. If you want your campaign to run at certain time of the day, you can do that. If you don't want your ad to run on certain time of the day, you can also do that. Or any day of the week that you don't want your ad to run, you can set it right here. But in this case, you are going to leave it all days. You are going to leave it at default. Once that is done, click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to create the ad creative. You can see creative. You have to create your ad. So click right here, new ad. Once you click on new ad, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the title of your ad and the description right here. So you can go back on CPA Grip, copy and paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to translate the text back to its original language. So click right here. Once you click on it, select detected language so that everything will be translated. Once that is done, you have to copy the title of the offer as your ad title. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste the description right here. So come back on CPA group, highlight and copy this as your description. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you can see display URL and they have destination URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done, you can see display URL. You can also paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload an image of the offer. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, right click on the offer image and then select save image as. Once you click on save image as, click on save so that the image will be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, choose file. Once you click on choose file, you have to select the image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. The icon image, you can upload the same image. So click right here, choose file. Once you click on it, select the image, click on open. As considered has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the CPC byte, the cost per click byte. You can see this is the default and it is extremely cheap. You can see it right here. So if you want, you can use the default or you can increase it or decrease it. It depends on what you want. In this case, I'm going to leave it with the default. Once that is done, click on save. Once you click on save, you can see your ad is active. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can start to run on the website and you are going to be getting traffic from Switzerland. To add funds, just click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. These are the methods of payment that you can use. You can see they have PayPal, Bank, Pioneer, Capitalist, and then the cryptocurrency wallet. Any of them that you want, you can select it. Any method of payment that you select, you will know the minimum amount that you can deposit. For example, if you select PayPal, the minimum amount that you can deposit is $25. If you select Bank, the minimum amount is $500. If you select Pioneer, the minimum amount is $100. If you select Capitalist, the minimum amount is $25. And then the cryptocurrency wallet, if you select it, you can see the minimum is $100. So the minimum amount depends on the method of payment that you choose. Once you select a method of payment, the next step is that you have to click right here, check out with PayPal. Once you click on it, click on PayPal. Once you click on PayPal, you have to log into your PayPal account so that you can enter the required details for the deposit to be made. Once the deposit is made, your ad is going to start running on the website and you are going to be getting traffic. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.